It's finally spring, and what does this mean for property investing? Hi, it's Jane Slacksmith here, and in this video today, I'm going to talk about spring and the property market. Now, it feels like winter has gone on forever, and it's so nice to finally throw off the blankets, open up the windows, and let in some fresh air. Spring, it's the time when the property market comes out of its winter hibernation, and soon enough you are going to see for sale signs all over the place, and your weekends will probably be dedicated to the property hunt. Now, spring is a very competitive time, and there's a lot of sellers and buyers out there, and they're very active because they too have come out of hibernation. Now, if you're an investor, you should have done all of your research during the winter months so you can jump straight in the market knowing exactly where you want to buy without delay so that you can get ahead of everyone else. Because remember, location is the key. So I hope you haven't skipped this step. You need to work out where to buy that's best for you up front. Now, you also need to be prepared with your conditional approval. Have your loan set up now so you can put in a firm offer and move very quickly when you see the property that you want. You want to leave your competition in the dust. And if you're a seller, well, there's some things that you can also do that is going to make your property sell quicker. Now, one great tip is to have your property stage or even virtually stage. Now, this allows you to stand out for your competition. But make sure that with all things that you're using professionals, not just the one with the cheapest price. Make sure that you have one that has experience and that can help you out to get the right outcome that you're looking for. Spring is an exciting time of year. If you want to learn exactly how I prepare to buy a property, then head over to my website or check out my blog, and you will see all of the online courses that I have there as well. Go to yourpropertysuccess.com.au. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you can see more videos as well. And as always, here is to your property success.